Hey guys, I want to show you what are we gonna do today. I put my MAC shirt today because we will swatch these beauties. This is the MAC 40 years old collection, and those lips made throughout the years, and those are everyone's favorite. So they brought it back for a short period of time, but I got sent it to me. Thank you, MAC. I still can't believe it that they sent me this PR, and I'm so excited. But I'm gonna swatch all of them for you guys. So this one, let's start with this. This is Shanghai Spice. I love this shade. It's like an orangey brown shade, and I love both shades that go. It's good for me, for my skin tone. Both of them orangey. Look, it's more toward brown than red, and I love that. Look how beautiful it is. It doesn't show well, but it does have a little bit shimmer to it, which I love that, because throughout the years everything started being so matte. All lipsticks, we find out that they are matte, a little satin, but nothing very sparkling. Next shade is Shinsi. I think it says like that. English is not my first language, so I try, promise. I love this brown shade, and it also has like a gold sparkle to it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you right here. Let me go over. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I'm obsessed with this shade. Can't wait to use it. Next one, everyone's favorite, and a lot of people asked me when they saw the other video that I got the PR box if this was in the collection. And guys, yes, Bubbles, everyone's favorite, is back for a short period. But I didn't talk about this packaging. Look how pretty it is. 40, which is 40 years of MAC. Look how pretty that is. And it says right here, bringing back. All right, no longer, let's watch Bubble, everyone's favorite, a nude shade. It has a pink sparkles to it. It's not gonna show much on my skin. Well, it will. This is Bubble, everyone's favorite ever. And it does have, I don't know if you guys can see, a little like shade of pink sparkles, and I love that. All right, let's go for the next one. Next one will be Double Shot, my favorite too. I love brown, and again, the beautiful package. Yes, I'm a brown lipstick girl. Yeah, yes. Look at this. Look how pretty this color is. I'm so glad they brought it back, because I need this in my life. Such a beautiful brown, and does have a shimmer to it, just a little bit shimmer to it, enough. I'm so tired and sick of seeing those matte, everything matte lips. I really like a glossy. Sometimes I don't want it too glossy, but this is perfect. It has enough satin shimmer. Okay, next shade, Haku. I'm excited about the shade, guys. Can't wait to create with this shade. This is a silver, yes. This is like a purple, you guys can see, but it has a purple sparkle to it. So all of those lips, their favorite lips, they all have sparkle to it. Next up the Hemp, another favorite of mine. I also, people don't see me very often with this color, this shade of lipstick, but yes, I'm a purple girl too. So here we are, just one swipe, and look at this. It's such a beautiful color, and I like this. It's not like a mauvey purple kind of thing, because otherwise I look a little bit sick. But this one is beautiful. It has a ton of pink and reds in it, and I love it. You guys are gonna see me wearing this a lot from now on, because it's my favorite shade. Next is Hot Gossip, another favorite. Guys, honestly, I love them all. I can work with all of them. But look at this. This one does not have sparkle, but it is a satin finished. Remember those? Well, it's such a beautiful shade. It looks a lot darker here, but when you swatch it on your skin, it has kind of like a translucent to it. Who knows MAC translucent collection will know what I'm talking about. So you guys can see, and this is the color when you see the lips, but this is a translucent finish, and I love that too. And the last one is, I think it says Flea Shop. You guys know, you guys can read. I am terrible certain names in English. I still don't know how to pronounce, even though I live in the US for 20 years. But yeah, this is the nude. Yes, when I was on the late 80s, 90s, this was the nude and pink nude, but this was the nude shade we will always wear. Let's do it. Let's swatch it. Look at this. It has a pink to it, and I love it so much. So here, as you guys can see, are all the 8 shades of MAC. The Bring It Back MAC 40 Years Old lipstick. They are, I believe, limited edition, and they are sold out, guys. So if you see it, grab yours. I love it. Thank you, MAC. Thank you.